Hello everyone, we are Tuesday 12. We have made an automated chessboard. I am myself Ashish Chandra and these are my teammates Lakshmesh, Samar, Jashwant, Piyush Sihar. So this is our automated chessboard. Basically this is a two-player game board in which one can play physically while the other one will be playing online. So like as you can see over here, one guy would be playing offline and the other guy would be playing online. Whatever the offline guy picks a piece, that would be reflected over the application as shown in that right side screen, and when it gets reflected, the player who is playing online will move the piece on its application, and that will get again reflected back to the board with the help of an edge board, as you can see over there. So like after each and every step this happens automatically, and you can play the game like after as long as you want to. So the mechanism involved in this are as follows. There are 64 Hall sensors, as you can see on the board. Whenever I lift a piece, that piece is detected when with the help of an Hall sensor, and that signals gets reflected to the leech's board. Also, whenever I lift a piece, there is change in the LEDs showing all the legal moves one can play, and these are all the 64 LEDs as you can see on the board. Now as you can see, there is one online player. He would be moving the piece, and he moved the piece wherever he was playing, and that would be reflected on our main chessboard. As you can see, it takes a little while, and now it's going. That was played. Now it's the person who is playing off physically can play the move. If I play this to this, so that would be reflected on that application where the other guy is playing. That changes. Now if I try to capture the piece, it is shown as here. So you can see that the piece will move. First it will take the black piece out of the board. And it will place the white piece back into the board.